Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create a custom app in Salesforce Lightning as well as a Classic Edition. So let's begin by understanding what is app in Salesforce. So in short form, application means app, and a Salesforce app is a logical collection of components such as object, tab, process, report, services that are connected to a specific business function. And in simple words, we can say that a Salesforce app is a group of tabs that functions together as a single unit to provide a functionality. So let's move ahead and learn to create a custom app in Salesforce Lightning Edition. So basically there are two kinds of app available in Salesforce. The first one is a standard app and next one is a custom app. So apps are those apps that are already included in the Salesforce, or you can say that it is a by default apps that are available in Salesforce already, like community, sales, marketing, etc. And custom apps are the apps that we create according to our need and requirement, and these are not built-in app, and you can create it and add label, logo, description easily to it. So in this video we are talking about the custom app, as there is no facility to create a standard app because they are built in. So we will learn to create a custom one. So for creating a custom one, we will first have to go to this quick find box. So here my account is already open in a Lightning Edition. So if your account is not in a Lightning Edition, firstly shift it to the Lightning one. So and here you have to search for the app manager, and here under app we have a app manager. Click on it. It redirect you to the Lightning Experience App Manager page, and on the top you have an option of a new Lightning app. So click on it. It redirect to the new Lightning app page. Here it asks you for entering the name of the app. So here I enter the name of the app as event management, and it automatically fill up the developer name according to it. And it also asks you to add a description. If you want to add any description, you can add it. It asks you to add an image. If you want to upload an image of the logo, you can add it here. Here we have option of changing the color of the app logo if you want, and here is the preview of the app which you can see in a app launcher. It shows as a EM. If you want to change the color, here we click and change the color according to it. Next, click on a next button, and from here you have to again click on the next button. Then here we have a option of a utility items. So we will leave as it is and click on a next button again. And from this we have a navigation items that you want to show in your app. Here on a left side we have available items, and on a right side it shows the items that we have selected. So from here you can select any of the item that you want in your app. So here I click on the award one. I move it to the selected one with the help of these arrow. I also want to show the campaigns, so I add this one also. I also needs account, so I also move this one. And after selecting all such things, click on the next button. Now you have to select the profile for your application, and by default Salesforce is assigned to a system administrator profile. So from this available profile fields, we will move the system administrator profile. So here I search and I move with the help of an arrow, and here on the last we have a button of a save and finish. So when I click on it, it successfully create an app with the name event management, and here you will get this name of the app. If you want to check it, you can click on this app launcher, these 9 dots, and from here when you click on a view all, or either you can search on a search bar also. So it will show you the list of all the apps and the items that are in your system, and here you can see that it creates an app with the name event management. So with this, we have learned to create a custom app in a Salesforce Lightning Edition. Now we will proceed and learn for the Classic Edition as well. For this, I will shift to the Classic Edition. Here I click on my profile, and from here I click on the option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. It redirects to the Classic Edition. So now here we have a setup on a right top side. So I click on it. Now either you can search in a quick find search box, or you can click on, here we have an option of apps. So I simply search in a quick find box apps, and it shows you. Now click on the apps which is located in a create component, or you can say a drop down field. So I click on it. It redirects to the page. Now there are two ways to create an app in a Salesforce Classic, either by using a quick start button or by using a new one. So discuss we let's first discuss the quick start. So here I click on the quick start button. It will ask you to enter the name of an app. So here I fill the app name as stock market, and it asks me to add a label, like which type of a data you want to track. So let's create a, so here I enter the label name as a stock. Then you have to enter the plural label name here. So you have to add s with the same name of a label. Like we have entered the label stock, you have to write it as a stocks, like s. Then you have to click on a create. It will save all these things, and it will say you that you are all set and your app is created. You can go on your app by clicking on go to my app. So here you can see that it redirect you to the app with the name stocks. So now let's discuss the another way also. Sorry, here is the app name stock marketing, and here is the object name stocks. So let's create follow the another method to create an app in a Classic also. So here I again search for an app in a quick find. So here we have to, so wait, here we have get app. So I click on it. Now we will follow the procedure with the new button. So I click on the new. Now it asks you to type console or a custom app. So we will create a custom app here. So check the radio button of the custom app and click next button. Then you have to add a app name. So here I enter the app name as a travel guides, and it automatically set up the app name. Here I enter the app label. If you want to add description, you can add it. Click on the next button. It redirect to the next. If you want to insert the image for the custom app logo, you can insert it. Click on insert an image and click on the next. Then here you have a tabs that you want to add. So from the available tabs you can select. So for example, here I select a coupons, I add it to it. Home is already available in the selected tab. I also need some images, so I add the images one also. And here you can see that it shows you the default option of a default landing tab. So when you open an app, it will land at a home, coupons or image. So it by default set to the home. Now click on a next. Now select the profile on which you want to show it. So here in the last we have a system administrator. So I click on this one and click on a save at last. So it creates a app with the name travel guides. If you want to check it, you can click here on a top right side on this drop down arrow. You will get the name of an app that we have created. So here is the app travel guides. So with this, we have learned to create an app in Salesforce Classic also. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.